Hello everyone. We are doing the project on online bus reservation system. My teammates are Prashanti, Alekia, Soumya and Bhaskar. The content sheet is as follows: abstract, introduction, project analysis, alternative solution analysis, project design, project progress evaluation and future scope. Coming to the abstract, the online bus ticket reservation system is a web-based application that allows visitors check bus ticket availability, buy bus ticket, and pay the bus ticket online. This system is established for all home or office users after gaining access from the administrator. Coming to the introduction part, the system is Bus Ticket Booking System. This is a project on the online ticketing system of Modern Coast Bus Company, which in most cases the company has problems with their ticketing and scheduling process. This project intends to computerize its semi-computerized ticketing system to provide better customer service. Because of that, the company can provide the easier way of traveling to the customers or passenger. Bus ticket reservation system enables the bus company's customers to buy bus ticket. Online ticket is the easiest and quickest way to take bus. Online bus ticket reservation system enables the customer to buy bus ticket, make payment, cancel reservation, and ask for information online easily. Coming to the project analysis, objective of the project is secure and hassle-free online ticket booking. Problem statement is customer used to book ticket manually by queuing in lines at bus stations or go to the travel agents who in turn used to book the tickets for them. This was actually a tedious process and was leading to wastage of time. It also had issues like having incorrect names or other information used to book tickets. Solution of the problem is work on an online ticket booking system that's fully secure and scalable using AWS. The scope of the project is customers can register themselves and book ticket, cancel tickets, or postpone or prepone travel dates. The next part will be continued by my teammate. Thank you.
Hello, this is Venkata Nagabhaskar Chennupati. Here I am going to describe about alternative solution analysis for online bus reservation system. The main problem of the system is, I heard from the customer, the system that is being used by the staff at the counter currently is an internal system and just use it to sell the bus ticket at the counter. Followed by another problem is customer has to go to the counter to buy bus ticket or ask for bus schedule. Furthermore, the problems faced by the customer is need to pay cash when they buy the bus ticket and sometimes needs to queue up long time to get the bus ticket. Besides that, customer also not allowed to buy bus ticket through telephone and the bus company's telephone has been always busy line. Here, the solution to this problem is to create an online portal for buying bus ticket system. Through this portal, customer can buy the bus ticket over the internet 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and the bus ticket cannot be lost, stolen, or left behind. In addition to that, the major advantage is the online system lets the customer check the availability of the bus ticket before the bus ticket. So there are few objectives I prepared for the solution. For this, the main objective is to provide a web-based bus ticket buying function. Customer can buy bus ticket through the online system and no need to queue up to buy bus ticket at the counter. To enable customer to check the availability of the bus ticket online, customer can check the time departure and arrival for every transactional bus throughout the system. Coming to the payment details, customer has to pay the bus ticket through credit or debit cards. Through this, they no need to worry about the money stolen. The main advantage of this objective is to reduce the number of staff at the point of sale, the number of staff at the counter to be reduced after online buying bus ticket system launch. To analyze the cost of this solution, here the cost for this solution is $0 because here I have a free tier of conversion from server to AWS. To develop this project, the minimum requirement hours is 20 hours. After completion of my development, the main part is to deploy the solution. For this, I have to take 5 minutes to deploy the solution. The next will be continued by my team member. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Sailekhya Nagalla. I'm going to discuss about project design. Here you can see system overview of online bus ticket reservation system. Here this shows customer and administration interaction to each other. This is online bus reservation form. Any users can create an account by registration. This system will validate the user email and will reject them if they are missing or if the user email address is already taken. Customer should fill all the details like name, age, address, email. And system validates email and password fields. And system authorizes the user and creates his account. And this is login page. Login page consists of username and password. Customer have to give username and password to login. System validates the details, and if the customer forgets the password, needs to click forget password, and system will send details to their respective emails. Date and location. In order to reserve a seat, one must enter their preferred date, month, and year clearly. If the person want to go for a round trip, then there is a round trip option, or else passenger can go with one way. It is based on their choice. And coming to availability of the seats. As shown in the figure, there are 3 color boxes in which black indicates availability of the seats, red indicates booked seats, yellow indicates pending seats. Pending seats are implemented to provide security for the woman, that is only a female traveler can book a seat beside the pending box. And we are having one more option like modify and cancel tickets. There are 2 options introduced to reduce difficulties for the passengers, which are modified and cancel ticket option. Modify option helps the passenger to change their preferred date of journey 2 days before they travel. Cancel ticket option helps to cancel the tickets at any time 2 days before the journey. And last one, payment information. A payment gateway is what keeps the payments ecosystem rolling smoothly, as it enables online payments for consumers and businesses. The customer needs to enter credit card number, expiration date, CVV, zip code, or they can pay through PayPal also. Confirmation page. Search results of passenger for their trip will be displayed in this application, and the passenger will be provided with some option to be chosen. After the trip, price and travel time has been picked, the passenger should pay for the ticket using the payment gateway that included in the application. Thank you. And the next will be continued by my teammate.
Hi everyone, this is Prashanti. I am going to explain you in brief about project progress evaluation in online bus reservation system which we developed. In this, the first step is going to be tools used for coding and testing. In the coding process, we used the web scripting languages, and those are PHP, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and SQL. Now I am going to explain you in brief about the programming languages I used in the project. Firstly, PHP. PHP is nothing but hypertext
preprocessor. It is a very powerful language as it can be used for web development. And then HTML. HTML is a hypertext markup language. I used HTML mainly to display the text codes. CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. This is very powerful language for formatting the web pages and has been of great help in my project. JavaScript. JavaScript is nothing but it played a very crucial role in my system in adding the functionalities. SQL. This is an abbreviation which stands for Standard Query Language. I used SQL as the language to connect the PHP code to the database as well as executing the various queries. And then the next process is testing. Testing is nothing but evaluating the working of the system that has been developed to establish whether it is solving the intended problem or not. There are types of testing which are performed. They are unit testing, stress testing, actual system testing, functional testing. Unit testing. Unit testing is done on individual units consisting the entire system. And then stress testing. This is a testing method that always tests the behavior of the system. Actual system testing. This is done to the entire system to test the general working of the system after it has been fully developed. Functional testing. This involves testing the functions of the program by providing an input data and observing the output. And then I'm going to explain in brief about the system test plan and user acceptance. System test plan. System test plan is nothing but the system was tested in all the aspects of functionality whereby various types of data inputs such as integers, variable characters, data time, and others were used and the results were observed. User acceptance system. User acceptance system is a process which is developed after the development process, and it is the last stage of the software development life cycle. During the testing process, any invalid data input alter the expected results. To overcome that, we use the user acceptance system. And in the last slide, I'm going to explain you about the budget and resources. The resources which we used on this project are laptop, flash disk, web browser software, text editor software, and it costs nearly in between $1,300 approximately. Next part of my project is continued by my batchmate.
Hello, I'm Soumya. I'm going to discuss about the future plans in online bus reservation system. I would like to say that my system did not capture everything that would be required and would therefore recommend for further improvements. And one of the improvement is allow the admin message the clients within the system. And the second is to enable clients to give their feedback and suggestions. And also the third one is integrating the system with Apple Pay for customers to make payments easy using the system. And the fourth one is implementing tracking system for the clients to track the bus. And we are also providing an additional future plans which are project gateway integration, notification system, chat functionality, coupon management. Payment gateway integration is nothing but integrate payment gateways like Stripe, PayPal, etc. into the system. Notification system is nothing but SMS-based alerts and email notifications for bookings. Chat functionality is the future to directly chat with customer care. And coupon management is nothing but for providing coupons which customers can use to avail discounts. The conclusion is, it can be observed that computer applications are very important in every field. All the information about customer that made reservations can be gotten just by clicking a button with this new system. And some of the difficulties encountered with manual system are overcome. and it will also reduce the workload of the staff, reduce the system for making reservations at the bus terminal, and also increase efficiency. And this application also update records in various files, and by relieving the company staff the stress of working from the file security of data. And this project will give a new way in bus reservations and ticket processing. The automation and management of seats and reservations will be done online. However, this project does not limit the walking passengers, that is, passengers who visit the company counter, because it also caters for them. And this also lessens the use of paperwork, like in the traditional way of ticketing. Any queries, please feel free to ask. And this is about our project. Thank you.